Hey everyone, today I'm sharing how to create this macrame daisy design. This is a fun and easy craft for spring, and you can hang these up on the wall directly, attach them to a tapestry, or maybe even string them up on a garland. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for free patterns and tutorials every week, and if you're ready, let's get started. Pause the video here if you'd like to take a screenshot of the materials, but you can also find them in the video description. Start off with 10 strings that you've cut to 70-inch lengths. Pick up one string and measure 14 inches over from the left-hand side. At the 14-inch mark, fold the string and attach it to the wooden ring using a lark's head knot. The left side should be the shorter side and the remaining length should be on the right. The next string should be measured in the same way, but with the shorter side on the right instead of the left. Now attach it to the ring using a lark's head knot, but to the left side of the first string. Now you'll have 4 strings hanging from the ring, and the outer 2 strings will be longer, while the inner 2 will be shorter. If you're using a corkboard and pins, you may wish to pin the strings into place here before you continue. Begin using the outer 2 cords to tie a continuous chain of square knots. Now, if you're not familiar with the square knot, I've linked a slower tutorial on square knots right here in the video for you. Keep tying square knots until your chain is approximately 6 inches long. Create 5 chains total using the remaining 8 cords. Starting with one section, bring the loose end back up towards the ring, placing the cords on top of the ring. Pick up the left string and use a one-sided lark's head knot to attach it back to the wooden ring. I'm linking another tutorial on the screen here in case you need to see this technique a bit slower. Make sure to tighten the string here as much as you can. Now set the 2 innermost strings aside and pick up the string on the other side. Use that string to again tie a one-sided lark's head knot. Next, pick up the 2 outer strings that you just attached to the ring and bring them together, tying a simple overhand knot to secure them. Pull really tight, and then you can trim off the ends of the cords so that they won't be visible in the front. Now, if you'd like some extra security, you can double knot, or you can even use a little bit of super glue to keep the loose strings from coming undone. Now repeat this step to form all 5 petals. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more patterns and tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching.